Let's talk about something you probably haven't thought much about: education. We all go through it: classrooms, teachers, textbooks, exams. But have you ever wondered, who does education really serve? Back in the 19th century, Karl Marx had an answer. For him, education was never neutral. It wasn't just about learning math or history. It was about shaping people to fit into society, and in his time, that meant fitting into a system built on inequality. Marx looked at schools and saw something striking: the way classrooms were structured, sitting in rows, following strict schedules, listening to authority. It all looked a lot like factory life. And that wasn't a coincidence. Schools, he argued, prepared young people to accept their place in the capitalist system. They taught obedience, discipline, and competition skills that made you a good worker, but not necessarily a free thinker. But here's the twist: Marx didn't see education as hopeless. He believed it could be powerful, even revolutionary. Imagine schools where instead of just memorizing and obeying, students were encouraged to question, to think critically, to see the unfairness in society, and maybe even to change it. Later, Marxist thinkers expanded on this. They said schools don't only teach what's in the textbooks, they also teach hidden lessons. Like, when you're told to follow orders without questioning, that's preparing you to follow bosses later in life. When you're pushed to compete against classmates, you're being trained to compete in a capitalist job market. That's what they call the hidden curriculum. But Marxists also dreamed of something different. They imagined classrooms that focus on cooperation instead of competition, creativity instead of conformity, and justice instead of blind obedience. A place where education opens your eyes instead of closing them. And if you think this is just theory, think again. All over the world, revolutionary movements, from literacy campaigns to free schools, were inspired by this idea that knowledge isn't just about facts, it's about freedom. Even today, the Marxist view of education raises tough questions. Should schools prepare you to fit into the system, or should they give you the tools to challenge it? The way we answer that question shapes not just classrooms, but the kind of society we build. And maybe that's the real lesson here. Education is never just education. Every classroom carries a vision of the future. The only question is, whose future are we preparing for?